inside loop, which is called as nested loop. In the nested loop, we're going to discuss about the for loop or with nested for the nested loop. Okay, we have a nested loop. So in the nested loop tutorial, in the nested loop, we're going to discuss about the for loop in this video. After that, we will discuss about the while loop. So first, the for loop. So I would like to ask you a question, which is to print a pattern called like this hash hash 3, okay, up to the number of n, okay, up to the n numbers. So in here you need to print the first hash and the two hashes. After that the column is going to be increased. Okay, so for that, for I in range of, so for that first we need a 4, first we need 1 comma 5. So why I'm putting 5? Because the string value will be the n minus 1 value, and then we're just going to put an inner for j in, put a separate value for inner loop, otherwise the computer will make a confusion. And this is also 1 comma 1 or 1 comma n. Okay, so 1 comma n we can assume, and in the 1 comma n before that we're going to assuming that n is equal to 1. Okay, so and 1 comma n. After that, what I'm going to do, print of hash, sorry, hash, and comma end, sorry, okay, print of hash comma end is equal to unless. So why I'm putting end is equal to empty, because if I not put the end is equal to the empty quotes, the next line will be based under this, or sorry, the next iteration will be on the new line. Okay, so that's why I'm putting here. So after that, I'm going to, I'm already after each iteration. Okay, so I need to increment the value of n by 1 and print that empty statement. I'm going to save the file, and if you run the file, you can able to get it. So you can able to get the hash symbols, right? So we have another one, isn't it? Like, okay, we have one column. We're having one column for 1 comma 1. Okay, this is the right way. So why I'm putting n plus 1? Because 1 comma 1 will not be printed as it is. The column 1 comma 1 is not going to be printed anything. For example, if you have access, okay, let me show you. For example, if you have access here, so this is the 1 and plus 1, this is the minus 1. So we having the point will be like here. Okay, this point will be right here, and the point will comma 1. We have the right angle printed. So, but this 1 comma 1 angle we cannot able to draw any such kind of code, right? For example, this is 2. So like here we can able to draw it. So the each two numbers, if the x-axis and the y-axis are same, it will not print anything. Okay, like for example, if I want to print a value from 1 to 1, it is not possible to print, isn't it? So for that, it's print nothing. Instead of 1 comma 1, if I put 1 plus 1, 1 comma 2 will print 1, and 1 comma 3 will print 1, 1. Okay, like that. Okay, sorry, it will print 2. So that's a kind of code we execute. Okay, so this is the nested for loop. So the nested for loop, we having a, assuming a one variable, and in the next variable we're having a declared instead of putting a constant value, we having a dynamic value as n, and while calling the loop itself, the n value will be increment 1. Okay, after that it will print a hash symbol. Instead of hash, we can also put a star. Okay, I love hash symbol, so for that I'm putting, and instead of hash we can go to put star. After that I'm going to do end. So if I remove this end and I run this code, you're able to see that the whole lines printed in the same. But you can able to identify this is the star, this is the two star, this is this, but there is no pattern form. So if I put n is equal to empty quotes, the values will not give any new line. So there will be no new line in this boost, right? So for that we're getting n statement. After that we're incrementing the value of 1 by n. So if we increment the value of n, this is the column increment. So first we get one column, after that the column will be incremented, after that the column will be incremented to 1, you have 3 column, after that it will be incremented to 4. So we're incrementing column in the second one. So if you have a nested loop, the first loop will be for rows and the next loop will be for columns. Okay. After that, what you're going is printing an empty line. So for that, we get the new line in the next row. Okay. Right. So I hope you understand this. I will be recall you in the next class. Bye bye.